Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Did you build it into the trunk and came out?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So what's your name real quick? What's in here? Go ahead.
Ruckus, 2 Crossfire, XT315.
Okay.
160, yin long power.
Yeah.
Singer 270.
Wow. You did all this? A lot of dynamite.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. That's been like that for a while.
It helps.
Yeah.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Did you build it into the trunk and came out?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Where's the amp at?
In the trunk.
Can I see it?
Trunk fucked up.
Won't open.
If I get it open, it might not.
No, yeah, don't open it if it, yeah. The bass will break everything, man. Awesome. XT3.
Yeah.
Have you metered this one yet?
Not this one.
No.
hands for me. Take it to the ground, pick it up, fall out. Look back at it all, I'm for me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.